Spring is coming and I want a high quality pair of shears that will last for many seasons. So I went with the Haus and Garten ClassicPRO Shears. These bypass pruners are designed for heavy duty work and they're meant to last forever. Let me show you. Now, instead of the foam covering you'll see on a lot of shears these days that does wear off over time, this is a rubber coating over an aluminum body. So it makes it light and extremely durable, and it's not gonna wear down. I also love the way it feels. It has these great little finger grips, and I love how my thumb can go right here. It has a really, really nice grip. Now it opens and closes really easily. The spring load is very strong, and it actually goes really quite wide, which is great for if you're trying to cut large branches. You get a lot of width right there to get in where you need to cut. To lock it up, you simply push this in or out and it will stay locked. And then finally, it's really all about this blade. This blade is coated in titanium. It's designed to last. It's extremely sharp. It comes oiled, and over time you may want to sharpen it more. You'll definitely want to oil it, but these are beauties. They shouldn't be going anywhere. You should have this in your garden arsenal for many, many seasons to come. And it has some special features too. This is a sap groove right here, and it's meant to push off any sap or debris so you continue to get a clean cut. And then you'll see a little notch right there. That is for wire cutting. So when you're planting or dealing with any type of wires you're using for planting, that will cut those quickly without having to change your tool. So let's take these out of the garden and see how well they cut. Okay, let's see how well these cut. It's definitely easier to cut little branches with them. Really easy in my hand. I love how quickly they open up. I do find that my hand rides up. I did not expect that. And I'm actually holding it in my palm differently than I expected. So this whole thumb is wrapping around as I cut, but it works really well. When I get to the harder bits of the branch, I do need to use both hands, but it cuts it, no problem. The Haus and Garten shears are a fantastic tool for your gardening arsenal.